everybody. My name is Himanshi Rana. I'm student of IIHM Delhi. I'm very excited as I got selected in IIHM Euro Wine Tour 2022, and our journey will begin on 25th of September from Milan to France, and where we will visit to different vineyards of Asti region, in Piedmont region, as well as in the Burgundy region, where we'll learn about the wines, we'll explore as well, not just the wine but also the processing unit of caviar, cheese making, which will give a great exposure. And not just the exposure, but also we will get the chance to meet the oenologist of Asti region in the Burgundy region, which will help us to learn more about wine. I would like to thank Mr. Shivarna Boss and Mr. Abdullah Ahmed, as well as Keith Edgar, who will guiding us from 25th of September in the Euro Wine Tour. Thank you.
IIHM.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.